kids! Come on, let's learn lot of things in this video. We'll learn fruits, vegetables, birds, animals and vehicles. Come on, let's start. Let's learn about some animals.
Giraffe, lion, kangaroo, elephant, bear, monkey, goat, horse, tiger, camel, cow, sheep, deer, fox, dog, donkey. Giraffe, lion, kangaroo, elephant, bear, monkey, goat, horse, tiger, camel, cow, sheep, deer, fox, dog, donkey.
Let's learn about some birds.
Eagle, swan, owl, cock, duck, bluebird, parrot, pigeon, woodpecker, peacock, hen, sparrow, vulture. Eagle, swan, owl, cock, duck, bluebird, parrot, pigeon, woodpecker, peacock, hen, sparrow, vulture.
Let's learn about some fruits and vegetables.
Custard apple, mango, banana, grapes, pear, apricot, pomegranate, lychee, watermelon, tomato, lemon, chilies, potatoes, peas, carrots, radish, brinjal, ladyfinger, cabbage, bottle gourd, onion. Custard apple, mango, banana, grapes, pear, apricot, pomegranate, lychee, watermelon, tomato, lemon, chilies, potatoes, peas, carrots, radish, brinjal, ladyfinger, cabbage, bottle gourd, onion.
Let's learn about some vehicles.
Ship, scooter, aeroplane, car, train, truck, fire engine, bus, jeep, bicycle, motorcycle. Ship, scooter, aeroplane, car, train, truck, fire engine, bus, jeep, bicycle, motorcycle.
I hope you learned a lot in this video. Keep watching it again and again. See you soon in our next video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.